Hey there, I'm Richa and this is my food story. Today we're making a healthy and super delicious Mediterranean quinoa salad. Let's start with the salad dressing. Add olive oil to a jar, balsamic vinegar, garlic, basil, oregano, pepper and salt. Screw the lid on and then shake this really well till everything is combined. Now let's cook our quinoa. Before cooking quinoa, make sure you wash it really well to get rid of the bitter flavor. Add water and bring this to a boil. Once it starts boiling, cover and cook it till the quinoa is really soft and fluffy and all the water is absorbed like this. Add cooked quinoa, bell peppers, onions, chickpeas, black beans, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, feta, and chopped basil to a bowl. Drizzle all that amazing dressing on top. And then mix everything really well so that the dressing seeps in. And then serve this quinoa salad with lots of extra feta.